morning everyone. Today I have to teach filter formula as a practical in Excel. First one, if filter formula use is to sort the data which are available in your Excel. Let's try on data. First one, please select all data which you are applied a filter. First one, select the data, then go to the data tab and enter the filter tab. Filter will be applied, then you can check one time, apply the filter, select or cancel which product you want to, for example jacket, and apply. So all jacket product name will be appear and other one is hide. Then if you are to complete your work, so clear the data, so all product will be come. And if you want to remove this filter, then select the filter and press again the filter option, so filter will be removed. We can use the shortcut key for this filter. So first select the all data. Filter shortcut key will be Control Shift and L. So filter will be applied on first row of the selection.